Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have the complete series of Smallville, the collector's edition, and I guess we'll get started. This is the front, and here is the spine. Here's the back, kind of a cool little picture. It used to have a little slip here, and it told you all the details and stuff, but I took it off. And there's the one side. Oh, there's that side. It got a little nicked in shipping, but this is my second time I had it. I had to ship it back once because all the discs weren't working, but it got nicked on the way back, so I just decided not to ship it again. And there's the bottom. What the heck is that? Anyway, let's get to it. Sorry, this is real heavy. Okay. This is the book for seasons 1 through 5. It's kind of like a little book. The discs aren't in it because I thought that they weren't protected that well, so I just kind of bought a book. They just slip them in like a little photo book that you would put like your DVDs for, like your photo DVDs or whatever you want to call them. But we'll get to DVDs in a sec, so you can see what they look like. But I'll just show you each and every picture. There's 1 and 2 for season 1. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Season 2, disc 7 and 8. 9, 10. 11 and 12. Season 3, disc 13, 14. 15, 16. 17, 18. 19, 20. Season 4. 23, 24. 25, 26. Season 5. Which is the first season that Lois actually appears. 27, 28, 29, 30. I think that's the last. Nope. And then just a picture of Lex. And another picture of Lex. Okay, that's the end of season 1 through 5. Let's jump over to season 6 through 10. Okay, here's just season 6 through 10. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys the back. Awesome, but it's just this, it was blue. And let's open it up. There's the little mini Justice League, the beginning. Flash, Green Arrow, Superman, Aquaman, Cyborg. Season 6, disc 31, 32. Disc 33 and 34, 35 and 36, 37, 38, season 7, 39, 40, 41 and 42, season 8, 43 and 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, season 9, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54, season 10, 55, 56, and 57 and 58, and 59, 60. Then 2 bonus discs for bonus features. That's what the picture was when you bought season 10 on Blu-ray. I wish these were on Blu-ray, but they're only on DVD. And then I'll get to the bonus slip. Guys, this is the episode guide, and it has some more photos in here. If you want to pause and look at the description, I don't know if you guys can read there or not. Just kind of the cast of the whole entire series. Season 1. Season 2. Season 3. This is the Superman who played the original Superman, like in the movie. Season 4. Season 5. Here's some captured artwork. Some sketches that people made. Season 6. Season 7. First time they introduced Bizarro. Season 8. Season 9. Hawkman and Dr. Fate. Oh. And the bonus discs. More pictures of behind the scenes. There's the back. And that's the costume from Superman Returns. And the last thing is the Daily Planet newspaper. It has quite a bit, actually. I'll try not to ruin it. There's Zatanna. And some comics at the end. Guys, that ends the unboxing of Smallville, the complete series. Please leave a like and subscribe.